Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at something essential for any Roland TD-17 drum module owner, a replacement or spare AC adapter. Specifically, this is the K-Mains power supply core design for the TD-17. Now, when you're dealing with electronics, especially something powering your drum module, safety is paramount. This adapter comes with some solid credentials right out of the gate. It's CE, FCC, and RoHS certified, which means it meets various safety and environmental standards. The manufacturer also states it's tested to match or even exceed the original equipment manufacturer specifications. That's a good sign. Beyond the certifications, it includes built-in protection features, OVP, OCP, and SCP. Let's break that down simply. OVP is over voltage protection. It stops the adapter from sending too much voltage to your module, which could fry it. OCP is overcurrent protection. This prevents too much current from flowing, protecting against potential damage from power surges or faults. And SCP is short circuit protection. If there's a short circuit, the adapter is designed to shut down safely. These layers of protection are really important for the longevity and safety of your valuable drum module. This particular adapter is presented as a brand new, high-quality replacement. It's not the official Roland branded one, but it's designed to function just like it, or better according to their testing claims. It's never been used before you get it. Looking at the physical design, it's described as compact and portable. This is great if you're gigging, rehearsing, or just need to move your setup around. Having a lightweight and easy-to-pack power supply is definitely a plus for convenience and on-the-go use. The build quality is also highlighted as durable, crafted with high-quality materials. You want a power core that feels solid and reliable, not something flimsy that's going to fray or break easily. A durable build means you can trust it for long-lasting performance. While the listing mentions compatibility with various devices like PCs, tablets, and monitors, the key compatibility here, and what we're focusing on, is the Roland TD-17 drum sound module. It's specifically designed for that purpose. It comes as a simple 2-pin power adapter. One important note from the seller is to always double-check your device model before buying to ensure compatibility. If you receive it and there are any issues like missing parts or damage, they state they'll make every effort to provide a satisfactory solution, which is good customer service to hear about. So if you're in need of a reliable, safe, and portable power supply for your Roland TD-17 module, this K-Mains adapter looks like a strong contender, offering key safety features and a durable, compact design.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.